How to download Delta Executor Mobile. Hi everyone. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download Delta Executor Mobile in under a minute. Let's get started. First, open your mobile browser and search for delta-executor.com. Tap the official link. Make sure to avoid third-party sites to keep your device safe. Once you're on the site, you'll see options for different devices. If you're using Android, tap the Android button to download the APK. For iOS, tap the iOS button to get the IPA file. Now, scroll down and tap the Download button. When the APK file starts downloading, you might see a warning. Just tap Download anyway to continue. That's it. You've successfully downloaded Delta Executor on your phone. Now you can install it and start running Roblox scripts easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick gaming tips. Thanks for watching.